As we have all learned in the last couple of years, technology can be an invaluable tool in connecting us. But nothing compares to taking in the atmosphere of a place in real life. Let me tell you some reasons to come here as a student. We are #1 in New York and #2 in US for the best return on investment. We're the first pharmacy college in the nation to create a biopharmaceutical manufacturing center. We have the first of its kind manufacturing fellowship with the FDA. We outperform the national average in on-time graduation rate and retention rate. We have a diverse group of students, faculty, and staff with a student-to-faculty ratio of just 7-1. And the class of 2026 included students from 25 states and 9 countries. All our students start with basic sciences, math, humanities, and liberal arts. They are serious and dedicated students, curious, enthusiastic, and focused on their goals. But they also take time to support and encourage each other. They prepare for careers in their classes, develop leadership skills in more than 65 student clubs and organizations. And they have fun together. Many build lifelong networks of friends who are pharmacists, researchers, health professionals, doctors, and physician assistants. When you want to know more, call us back and follow us on social media to get a sense of all that happens here every week.